Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to install and use Nemotron 3 Ultra. An easy way is to run it through Ollama. Just go on your browser and then type in Ollama. Click on the link. First thing before you do anything, you need to download and install it. The next step is to search for the model. Then you just search for Nemotron 3 Ultra. Over here, you copy this copy. And you have to go to your command prompt. Just go on your Windows icon and then type in CMD. Make sure you run this one, not this one. Run this one. Once you're over here, this way you paste the command and then you click enter. This way you can fully interact with your Nemotron 3 Ultra AI. You have to interact with it within the command prompt. Once you do that, you're done.